Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for digital scrapbooking kits. Business easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So the topic isn't here, so you can just select all templates, and in the type you can select services and maybe online stores. And the templates here, you can start with some templates here, or if you wanna build your own template. So let's get started from here and let's go. So here you can type your business name. You can type any name for digital scrapbooking kits. So here you're gonna build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as a few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to make it looks attractive and better to attract more people and more customers. So you have to try your best to make your sites and your homepage looks better. Now let's move on. All the sections must be attractive. So that's it. Now let's continue. Here you're gonna add page to your site. Choose the color palette. Choose any color you like and any color match with your business. Here choose the font. Any font you like. I'm gonna choose this one, and let's move on. Here you can choose if you want to continue and add the description, add the details about your website, something about your website, and choose the writing style. Or if you want to skip this, I'm gonna skip. Okay, so this is your home page, so you can edit it from here. Click edit, and the first thing here you can change, you can introduce your site. So click here and wait a few seconds. Okay, now you can introduce your site. Welcome to our site for digital scrapbooking kits. Okay, also here you can change the text on this label. So for example, you can type get started, and after this go to the section, and you can here change the grid and the gap, the fill screen, and the height and the alignment. Also you can change the background, and you can select just simple art here, or if you wanna add image as a background. So I'm gonna add image, so select from library and go to the free image and search on digital scrapbooking kits. Okay, um okay, I'm gonna choose this. Also, you can change the color of the font here. If you don't like it, you can choose any color here. And if you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Also, you can edit the site header here. You can change the site title if you don't like it. You can add your logo image, upload your logo image as a file, or select from library. And also, you can add the mobile logo image. You can edit the elements. Here you can move the section, you can move it down or up. You can save the section from here, and you can duplicate it. So that's it. Now let's move on. So here you can change customize the wave intensity and the text size. That's it. Here you have to delete this and add another one. So put it here and go to the free image and search for digital scrapbooking kits. Okay, for example, okay, I'm gonna choose one of these here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. The text here you can also change it. Use this space to talk about your shop and your products. Describe your products and something about your website, how and where are they made, and what makes them unique. So first you can change the paragraph to make it attractive. So now in the background you can just select just a simple art. You don't have to add the image on the background, just a simple art, it's much better. Also here just a simple art. Tell people about who you are, your origin, your process, or your inspirations. Also here the social links, you can change the social links, and the background just a simple art as the same thing as normal. Here if you want to change this image and add instead of this, add a map. So here you can add your business address. So click here and you can add the business name and the address, the city and the state and the country. You can change the design of your map. And in the section in the background, just a simple art. So that's it. This is the last section, the footer section. Just click here at the background like this. Here you can change the location and the hours and the contact. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website and customizing it, now you can just save this, go to the settings section, add the product to your inventory, and add the way to get paid, choose the subscription plan, and the last step is publish your website and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for digital scrapbooking kits. Business easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.